What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stan, and we back with another video, man. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, man, make sure you go hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, leave a comment on the video, and like the video, man. Today, man, it's Saturday. I really ain't got nothing planned for the tiny home today, for real, but if y'all don't know, it's a fight tonight. Tank Davis versus Frank Martin. So tonight we're gonna put the projector back on the wall again tonight. So my cousins pull up and stuff like that. We're just gonna chill and vibe out tonight. And then tomorrow I might do some stuff. I'm gonna just add this into tomorrow's vlog, because y'all know we gotta post 3 times a week, but we only posted twice in this Saturday. So I gotta put a video out tomorrow, no matter how long it is, none of that. So y'all will be getting a video tomorrow. But I just got back from the movies, man. This was the fit right here. Let me show y'all the fit. That was a fit right there. I went and watched Bad Boys with my friend. Went and got my nails done today. Yeah, I see that. Things glistening, man. Yeah, I see it. But yeah, I went and got a manicure today. Went to the movies, and now we're about to just chill with the fam, watch the fight tonight. And probably tomorrow's Father's Day tomorrow, so we're gonna go to church and stuff like that tomorrow. So yeah, man, make sure y'all stay tuned to the vlog. Appreciate all my new subscribers, man. Y'all been showing out, y'all been showing love in the comments. I appreciate all y'all, man. But I'm about to get changed real quick, then we're gonna go outside and chill with the fam, man. Got the screen up.
But the number that really stands out, and they talked about it in the interview with Jim Gray, most of champion of the world, Gervonta Tank Davis. You can almost feel it coming. He stunned Martin with that left. Yeah, the left uppercut. Now his hands are down. Now he's defenseless. Right there. Oh, look at that. Yikes.
What's good, y'all, man? It's the next day. As y'all can see right now, I'm just chilling at the fire pit, man. Today is Sunday, it's Father's Day. I just got back from going to church, and we went out to eat with my pops. I just got back home, and I just came down here to just chill. As I told y'all, man, we posting 3 times a week this week, so I gotta get this last video out today, man. So any fathers watching this video, man, happy Father's Day. If y'all got kids, man, happy Father's Day. The single mothers, happy Father's Day as well, man. I ain't really got nothing planned today, but like I said, we post 3 times a week, so I gotta get the video out, no matter what it is, man. Oh, this rooster done came to the other side. You're on the wrong side, my boy. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Yeah, you on the wrong side. You said what? I bet. But nah, man, I think today I'm gonna go, I'm gonna put some weed killer on the driveway, cause the grass is kind of growing up over the gravel. As y'all know, we got new gravel, so grass is growing up over it a little bit, so I'm gonna put some weed killer on it. I got some weed killer in the house. I'm just gonna grab that and then just spray the driveway, man. As y'all seen, we was watching it. Nigga, shut the fuck up. As y'all seen, we was watching the fight on the projector last night. I ain't really vlogged too much. I vlogged a little bit, but I ain't really vlogged too much, just because y'all already seen that. I don't want to make a remake, you feel me? I don't want to, what's the word I'm looking for? I don't want to be repetitive, you know what I'm saying? So I just vlogged a little bit. But yeah, we had a good time last night. It was a good fight. That boy Tank knocked Frank Martin out. Y'all let me know if y'all watched the fight too. Hey man, let me grab this weed killer. The weed killer is back here. I gotta pull the stove out just to get to it. Come on. All the way back here, man. Put that back. I know it's kind of inconvenient, but hey, man, we live in a tiny home. We can't be, you feel me? Y'all know what I'm trying to say. think we gonna have to weed eat it first. Like, it ain't got so long. I'm gonna have to weed eat first. Y'all see how the grass done grew up over top of it? So, man, gotta go ahead and get some weed killer on that before it overtake the driveway, man. I'm gonna go ahead and weed eat first. That's it for the weed killer, man. I'm gonna show y'all in about 2 days or something like that and show y'all what it's looking like. See if it helped, see if it worked. Hopefully it do. And we still gotta get the some more wood or something to go around the driveway, make it look neat. Boy, it's hot outside. Y'all see I'm sweating like crazy, boy. Hey. Man, that's the end of today's video, man. I know it was a little short video, but like I said, we got to get 3 videos out each week. I got something on my hand, but yeah, like I said, we got to get 3 videos out each week. So I got to drop a video today, no matter what, how long the video is, no matter what, man. So, but tomorrow is the new week, so y'all know I got some stuff coming for y'all, man. So stay tuned. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. Leave a like on the video and turn on your post notifications so you get notified every time we post. I appreciate everybody that stayed tuned to the end of the video. If you're still watching the video right now, you're a real one, no cap. The reason I'm gonna have to end the video right here is because it's, what time is it? It's like 5 o'clock. I still gotta go wash my clothes for the week and do a little homework. And I still gotta edit this video and get it out tonight. So yeah, man, I'm gonna have to end it right here so we can go ahead and edit and post. Go wash my clothes for the week, get ready for the week, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned for next week's content. Y'all know we come with 3 videos next week, so stay tuned, man. Man, we out.